friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share stir-fry sweet peas with Chinese sausage recipe. Hope you like it. Dishes stir-fried with sausage have a very fragrant sausage flavor. Remember, you don't need to add cooking oil for frying because the sausage will release fat when stir-frying, which is enough for stir-frying. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime you want. Stir-fry sweet pea with Chinese sausages. Ingredients: sweet peas, Chinese sausages, soak Chinese sausage in hot water for ease to remove casing. Drain sausage after 1 minute. Just cut the sausage in the middle and tear the outer layer apart. Thin slices Chinese sausages. Sweet peas washed and remove strings. Stir-fry Chinese sausage to release fat. Add sweet peas and stir-fry. Seasoning to taste. Add 1 tablespoon water if too dry and stir-fry. Plate sweet peas. Let's eat. Smell great. Crunchy sweet peas taste great. Give it a try. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family too. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2000s of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. The protein in sweet beans can repair skin, regulate physiological state, promote milk secretion, lower blood cholesterol, and is very helpful for cardiovascular health. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.